Hi everyone, in this overview we're gonna go through Velomingo app, Velocity Video Maker. This is really amazing app and very simple to use, but still I decided to create this overview for you because as you can see this app is really hitting the top charts everywhere in app stores around different countries. So here you can just search it. As you can see, it's being suggested in the Apple Store. And basically, yeah, so that's the main idea of this app is that it helps you to create amazing short videos. One sec, I just want to. So here it is. Here's how exactly you can find it, because probably there might be a lot of clones and stuff like that. Here is the app. Velomingo Velocity Edit Maker. Velocity in one tap, smooth velocity, hundreds of templates, and here you can find it. You're new to editing and you want to make advanced velocity edits, no worries, Velomingo got you covered. With Velomingo Velocity Edit Maker, you don't need to create the whole edit from scratch. You only need to select a velocity template you like out of hundreds of velocity templates and add them media and music. The rest is done by Velomingo and you have a cool velocity edit. 3-step video editing: select the template you like, add photos, videos to templates, add music to your video, perfect beats for music. Yeah, basically this app helps you to create amazing video edits, and you don't need to be some advanced video maker or have some like huge video making experience and all of that. You can just instantly start creating amazing vertical velocity edits, and then you can use them in TikTok or Instagram. And here is the app. So anyhow, let's just open it up and let's just go to the app. Here it is. You can just easily create your account, and then you need to create a new project. So how to do that? You need to give access to your photos and videos. However, you can only edit videos in this app. It's not possible to edit photos in Velomingo app. So just tap create new project, and then for example I created this very short video, and then I can just select any effect. So let's just go here and then we will be able to select any effect. It takes some time, especially if you are on older iPhone. It takes some time. So yeah, for example, this is like my selfie. So something like that, as you can see here is how it looks like. And then, yeah, then you can see other templates, other effects, which you can use from here. So that's another template here. And yeah, you can just browse around. So as you can see, this kind of effects and they're very cool and easy to generate. As you can see, I don't have any like experience. It's super easy, just like selecting filters in Instagram. Then here you can select quality. So either default faster editing option or higher quality slower editing option. But bear in mind that if you want then to save with the higher quality, you will need to upgrade. So to my surprise, a lot of these templates, like majority of them are free to use, and then you can just use them and you can use all the streaming feature, you can add music, all of that. By the way, to add music here you can I don't know, extract from video, or yeah, there is no access. Oh, I don't know. Okay. So for some reason there is no access to like a huge library, but you can use it and then use your original video sound or extract from video from your gallery. So that's what you can do. Of course, bear in mind all the issues that you are using the proper music and that you have rights to use it. Don't just steal music, it's very bad. But anyhow, here you have all the templates. huge amount of templates, and they're adding more and more, and then you can use them for free. The one thing is just it takes a bit of a time, as I said, especially if you're on iPhone 8 or something like that. So that might take a bit of a time. And if you select a higher quality, okay, let's just select default quality for the faster editing. So that just takes a bit of so yeah, something like that, for example. Okay, so let's say I like this one. However, I will just scroll for you so you can see that there are like dozens of these templates, and then you can use them. Yeah, you don't need to upgrade to use all of these templates. But then when I save, what I see here is that if I want to save in high quality, I need to upgrade. So that's the first one. For some reason there was like a glitch, like this app yesterday or something, it was like $39 per week. I was like pretty surprised, like what's happening here, but probably it was some kind of a bug or some kind of maybe test or something like that. But now you can start a free trial, starts 3 days for free and then $29.99 per year, or starts 3 days for free and then $3.99 per week, and then you can subscribe. Then you can also remove watermark if you on the pro version, and then again it's like $29.99 per year or $3.99 per week. So these are like two main benefits if you're upgrading, you're removing watermark, because here, for example, I will just save it to photos to show you how it looks like, which quality it is. So I just saved it to my photos, and then there it is. So as you can see, the quality is still pretty okay. It's not like terrible, it's not great. And I just filmed it on my iPhone 7, and seems it's okay quality and it's good to go on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, whatever you're using. So it's fine. But if you want higher quality for some specific reasons, you will need to upgrade. And as you can see, you have 3-day free trial, so that's fine. And also if you want to remove watermark. Another thing, if I tap on Pro, it also says that I might get some unlimited templates. So that also quite a benefit. If you want a lot of unlimited templates, you probably need to have this subscription. Maybe in this free versions there are already a lot of templates, but maybe there are even more templates in a paid version. So then you just have this velocity edits in one tab. Then you can just contact support. I don't know. And then there are just more apps from this developer. I think it's worth checking them out, like Funimate Video and Motion Editor, Impressive Video Design Studio, Imaginate Cool Image Editor, like all these apps which can be used. So that's that. Definitely cool developer team. And then if you want to give some feedback, you can tap on the information icon in top right and write about some feedback to improve Velomingo app, and then just tap send. So that's what you can do. Other than that, I think that's about it. I like this app for like this minimalistic design and like simplicity to use. There aren't like 20 buttons and 20 tabs. Everything is very straightforward and easy to understand. Really like that about apps. Here you can see some reviews. It's good. I wish it allows you to make longer videos. It might make a bit difference in my editing. It would be a great big help if I may like it longer videos. Decent app. It's also not glitchiest. There are some bugs here and there. So when I make an edit and it crops off most of it and only stays for 4 seconds, I don't recommend the station. Make it 15 seconds. Only buy if you have it that's under 4 seconds or it is 4 seconds. Uh, Amazing app. So these are some of the reviews, and if we go through most critical, for example, what can't even use without pain, needs more options, not a great app. Some people write CapCut is better, choppy edits, why it's so cropped. Yeah, so I think the main concern here is that people want to be able to edit longer videos. So yeah, you can split it. Needs additional stuff. Overall, yes, you can see that people just want to be able to have some additional video editing features, like ability to edit longer videos, ability to split videos, so something like that. Other than that, it's great. So great app, simple to use. Definitely give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please put a like so more people can discover it. Thank you for watching.